What is the value of the expression 7 squared minus 7 divided by 7 times 2? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This question is actually very easy, but it tricks almost everyone. Let's take a closer look and solve it together. To solve this problem, many people start by calculating 7 squared first. And instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 49 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. In the next step, they usually perform the subtraction between 49 and 7 and simplifying this expression to 42 divided by 7 times 2. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 42 and 7, which gives them 6 times 2. And finally, they multiply 6 by 2, which ends up with the answer 12. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option B is the correct answer to this question. But that's definitely wrong. Also, some other people to solve this problem first go for the expression 7 squared. And they simplify it to 49 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. In the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 7 and 2 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 49 minus 7 divided by 14. Next, they perform the division between 7 and 14 since they believe division has priority over subtraction. And they rewrite this expression as 49 minus 0.5, which ultimately gives them the answer 48.5. And immediately, they conclude that option D is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked, and it's not the correct answer to this question. Now let me show you step by step how to solve this expression correctly. To solve this problem, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image, in this expression, first we have an exponent, then a subtraction, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent, because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 49 minus 7 divided by 7 times 2. In the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than subtraction. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between the two 7s, and this expression simplifies to 49 minus 1 times 2. Now, it's time to do the multiplication between 1 and 2, which gives us 49 minus 2. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 47. Therefore, option C is the correct answer to this question.